My name is Ashok, and you are watching the Framer 101. Okay, so let's dive into my screen. Here in this overview video, I'm going to show you what exactly where. Right here are the pages. You'll see your all of your pages here. The CMS, the canvas, layers inside your page. Let's say on my desktop home page, what are the layers I have? I can see those layers here down here. Assets, if I'm saving anything as a component or I have a style guide created, right, you can see all those things down here, right? Okay, so this is your development panel, I would say, editor panel, where you find all the editing related things, right? Here in this insert one, you find pre-made things by Framer, pages, sections, navigations, and many more things that we will look into this one in the future videos. The next thing you have is layout. In the layout, let me close this. In the layout, you have frame, you have image, rows, columns, and grid to create amazing responsive layouts in Framework, right? I'll talk about this in the next video. The text thing, it's simple, right? Text is for you using the textual content, and the CMS for, let's say, team members, blogs, or any dynamic thing that you want on your Framer website. Then you can use this CMS. You can create your collections. Inside collection, you can edit fields. Here here right now by default they give some default fields, but you can add from here clicking on plus. You can add more. We will look into this in the future videos also. The action is simple, right? Create a page, create component, generate page, or publish website, things like that, right? Action. And here you have these settings about this project. If I click on the settings, I can see the general, domains, redirects, and all these development related and the publishing related things, redirects and all. If you are coming from Squarespace or Wix, then if you want your users to, let's say, redirect from old link to new links, then you can use this section here. And here you, if you click this play button, you can see your preview mode, right? You can reload it from here, full screen. You can invite your team members. You can publish the website on staging and add a custom domain. We'll look into this in the future also, right? So yeah, and let's say here you have your style panel. I'm adding a text here, just adding a text just to show you how you can use the style panel. This is your style panel. This is how it looks. uh, you can align your content to top, right, bottom, left, center, middle, right? It's up to you. Positioning of your layouts, the sizes, effects means animations, overlays, styles, textual styling section here, scroll section, accessibility, right? What is this tag? Is it a paragraph or just a span or just a link? Anything, whatever you want to do, right? You can create a link of that, this one, this text, by clicking here in the link one. Yeah, so this is how Framer looks when you log in and create your first project. Here this tiki or fixed middle menu is like, this one is for creating something, this one is for dragging and dropping, this one is for leaving comments, and this one is for light theme, dark theme, right? I always refer to have dark theme. And the percentage, if I hit control and use my mouse wheel, you see that it is increasing and decreasing. Here you can upgrade your website. If you like your website and you think it's ready to publish, click here and get a plan that suits to your budget and the requirements of your website, then make it live. Simple, right? Okay, so in the next video we are going to look at how you can use this layout tool here in Framer to create layouts. Till then, bye.